Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Oh my goodness, I'm vlogging. I haven't had my Canon G7X for about 3 weeks. Canon did very kindly replace the camera for me with one downstairs. However, that vlogging camera was literally a nightmare. So I am so glad to have this one back. It's been all the way to Germany to get fixed and now I got it back. I'm super happy about that. I haven't spoken to you guys like properly, like vlog style, in a while. I have finished university, which is crazy. Like, I finished about 5 days ago, threw my papers in the air. It was great. My last exam was really difficult. What else? Oh yeah, I'm going to New York in 7 days, 8 days. I think it's 8 days. But it's coming up fast and I haven't started packing. I haven't really arranged anything or looked at outfits or anything like that, so that needs to be done. But anyway, it's a beautiful day outside today, so I think I'm gonna go and get Starbucks. I've got a few packages to open, etc, etc. But I'm gonna throw you guys back to a few weeks ago. I stayed at this gorgeous hotel called, I can't remember, but I'll leave the name on screen. It was a lovely hotel. When we got there, I went with my mum and we had like a girly evening, and when we got there they actually upgraded us to a deluxe room, which has never happened before. It was gorgeous. I love staying at like fancy hotels and stuff, so I thought I would do a room tour and I will play that to you now. Hope you enjoy. Incredible. Let me just start off by showing you guys this view. Look, we've got a view over Covent Garden. I think Covent Garden is just over here. I'm sorry about the blinds, they're behind the window. I can't really get to them, but this is the beautiful view, and panning round to the room. So this is our deluxe room. There's a big selfie mirror just there, a little desk area, just all our bags over there. There's a random potted plant, which I actually quite like. We've got giraffe print carpet and the piece de resistance. We've got a mini bar. Let's have a look at what we've got. So we've got some vodka and gin, some Coke, pretty standard mini bar stuff. What's this side as well? Snacks. Wow, let's have a look. Oh, these Pringles are honestly my favorite. We've got some Ollie olives. I really don't like olives, but what are these? Mobile charger travel adapter. That's a really cool idea. Intimacy collection for lovers. I'm here with my mum. And hangover collection for guests. Okay, headed round into the bathroom. You've got a little dimmer switch there, so I'll turn it all the way up and you come down this corridor here. It's just basically got standard bits behind it, some tea and coffee and a safe and stuff like that. And then if we head through here, you've got the bathroom, which is so my style. I love the wood with the kind of stone look, and you've got your vanity here. They've given us some little soapy bits as well, kind of like the standard what you get, a vanity kit, shower cap and some body milk. This is the mirror, hello, toilet and a gigantic shower. This shower is not showing up how big it is on camera. It is huge. Oh, and we've got some little bits there as well. And just coming back around here to this really random station, which I have no idea what this is. I think it's just kind of like to get ready. I might do my makeup in here in the morning. And we've got a scented candle, which is very on theme. It's lobby scented. I've never heard of that before. It's a signature lobby scent. And I don't think I'll be trying this because it's £38, but basically if you come, you can get one of those. And oh, this is lobby scented as well. If you want your room to smell like the lobby of the hotel, you can light the candle and spray the room. How weird. But that's the bathroom, and I am going to have a very nice shower later. We're a little bit lost, guys. Found the lift. We just got a little bit lost. These corridors are like you're on a ship or the Titanic, and they just keep going round and round in circles. We found the lifts. I think this calls for a handshake. I will have this in my house, please. The lobby is really cool. I think these are teeth. They kind of look like teeth. And I will just show you guys around. So that is where you go to get up to the rooms, And then there's the cafe over in the corner, which is like book themed. But oh, this is like bloggers paradise right here. How gorgeous was that room? I hope you guys like that little room tour. I mean, when you go somewhere nice, you obviously have to film. And who would have thought that I would have fallen in love with giraffe carpet? I didn't know I needed that in my life, and I definitely want, when I move out, to get a room with giraffe carpet. It's weird. Anyway, I actually got a few earrings the other day. I got these really crazy ones from Zara, so I will show you those because I don't know why I bought them. Essentially, I don't really need big statement earrings. I'm not going on holiday anywhere sunny or anything, but I had to get them. Also, this dress that I'm wearing today, I'm not going to pan down too much because I'm just sat down, but it's an off-the-shoulder dress with floral bits, and this, I got this yesterday in Forever 21. I just love Forever 21. So this dress was such a bargain. It was £16. I'll try and link it down below, and let me show you my earrings. So this is pair number 1. Aren't they actually crazy? They're big palm trees, big gold palm trees. Something about like big statement Pat Butcher earrings really just do it for me. I just love them. Aren't they cool? I do have to be careful. When my mum was younger, she was brushing her hair and she caught her big hoop earrings and ripped them out of her ears. So when I'm wearing earrings like this, I am very kind of cautious not to, like, obviously tear my ears. I love them. And I have another pair, let me show you. And this is pair number 2. They are eyes with diamantes. You guys will never guess where these are from. They're from Romwe. I was browsing on there the other day for a video and I saw them and I had to get them. They were literally like £1 or £2, so I just love these. Anyway, there is something new in my room I have been dying to show you guys. I've DIY'd a little bit of this as well. I have a new unit. I'll link the unit down below because it's amazing. It's huge. You guys kind of need it in your life. It holds so much. But I've DIY'd it to make it look more like it's from Anthropology or Oliver Bonus, or just more like Pinterest style. So I will show you that now. So this is my new chest of drawers. You can tell I'm getting old. I feel old when I'm getting excited about a chest of drawers, but I think it's beautiful. It took me 3.5 hours to put up yesterday, so I am very proud of myself. It's the Canterbury set from Argos. Please ignore up there, that's just needing to be sorted. And it came with these pretty basic, boring, like silver knobs here, and I've just put on these gold ones and I really, really like them. They pull open like that. Ooh, and I have to show you, this is so satisfying to me. I've put all of my beauty stuff in this drawer here, and this is everything. It fits perfectly inside here. So I've got, it goes from body stuff to face to deodorants and smellies there. So that's my beauty drawer. That is everything I own that is beauty. I also have these pieces of agate, and these were originally supposed to be on necklaces, but I've just taken the hook off the top, and what I'm wanting to do is super glue them on the front here. So my top 2 drawers will have agate on, which I think looks really, really cool, and these have gold around the edge, and I think then it makes it look like really expensive, kind of like Anthropology vibes. This one's really cool too, so they will be just like that. I'm going to try and find some super glue to glue these on today. I might do that later. I don't know how I managed to forget this drawer when I put something in it this morning, but I have a blogger mail drawer which is full of all my exciting blogger mail. Honestly, I get so excited when I get packages. Most of these are new in this week as well, so I'll go through them with you guys, just do a really quick little haul. So this morning I got this through the post from Cluse, and they're a watch company. I think I have a code, so if I do, I'll leave it down below. And it's this gorgeous, I think this is so pretty. It's a very vintage looking. I'm not a huge fan of like big round watches, and I love how this is square. It looks a little bit different, and this is from their new in. I cannot wait to wear it, especially when I go to New York. I will be taking that with me firmly. Somehow L'Oreal managed to track me down and send me some products which did actually arrive smashed in the post, and I've never had any contact with them, so I have no idea how, but they sent me this really bougie kind of nightgown. It says, I woke up like this. And then on the front, they've put my name, Naomi Victoria. I got these yesterday from Bare Minerals. Let me show you because these are incredible. They're highlighters, they're stick highlighters, and they're the crystalline glow ones. Can you see that glow? I am in love, especially this one here. Oh my goodness. So I need to take pictures of those and then swatch those, but they are stunning. So stunning. The jewellery company Franco Florenzi very kindly sent me over 2 of their jewellery pieces. I got this bracelet right here with their logo on it, and then I got this other one, and I'm going to be giving one of these away in a future giveaway. I just can't figure out which one. So if you guys could let me know down below, should I give away the gold bangle or the white bracelet, because they are both beautiful and I want to keep them both. I'm going to be giving away one of these to you guys, which will come up on my channel very soon, so keep your eyes peeled if you would like to win one of those. I'll also put it on my Instagram, so make sure you follow my Instagram. I am so excited about this. So Facestory have very kindly sent me over one of their boxes. I love the print on the top here, and they've given me a little discount code as well. Basically, it's just a box of face masks, which I couldn't love anymore. I love using face masks, and I think this is their 7 kits. And I've got the Elencilia Intracell, I'm butchering these names, Nourishing Escargot and Caviar. Escargot is snails. So I'm going to have to research in case any snails were harmed in the making of this, but I hope not. This one really trips me out. I'm so incredibly excited to try this. I think these are all Korean, and Korean is really big in beauty at the moment. I've got a collagen mask. I've got an anti-wrinkle biocellulose mask. The packaging of that one feels lovely. A rose mask pack. A intensive brightening mask pack, and I'm sorry for my skin black mud mask, which is tightening. I think that is such a cute little idea. And I also got this box sent over from Skunsi. I am the worst at pronouncing names, so I'm so sorry. This box is so cute. They basically sent me over a few little goodies as well as their products. So I've got the Ultimate Grip Hair Grip. I've got the Cashmere Blend hair ties, which remind me of being a little kid. I love these, especially for when I'm putting makeup on in the morning. And some hairbands, which are always really handy for the gym. So thank you to Skunsi. Not that I can pronounce, please ignore me. And they've also sent over some goodies. So I got these Oh Dear notebooks. I'm going to keep these by my bed and just use them to scribble notes in. I've got a unicorn bath bomb, almost looks like a cupcake, and it smells really good, and that's by Gifts by Little Miss, and I almost dropped it and broke it. And also a candle, which is Powder Puff Fluffy Stuff, and this smells almost like baby powder. I almost don't want to burn it though because it's really pretty, so I love that. They also did send over a glass water bottle too, but that is downstairs. I have been using that already. It's gone everywhere. Cheers. That was more like a bash. Wait. Rubbing it in doesn't make the mess go away. Just a few bits while I was out, so I'll do a really quick little haul. Literally there's like 5 things, but I picked up some of my favourite cheese, and I get the slices because I'm lazy. It's the Violife vegan cheese. I love this. It tastes kind of like plastic cheese, so not everyone's going to like it, but I love it, especially on bread and on toast. I picked up some of these Nan's gluten-free choc chip Astro Bites. I mean, to be fair, let's be honest, the only reason I bought these is because they're space themed, and I thought they were really cute. I love the rocket ship and the planet there. I shouldn't really be having them because they're not very healthy, but oh well. I got some Botanic Lab plant milk, which is the Coffee Damiana, and it kind of tastes quite chocolatey, so I really like that. These bars are the best chocolate bar apart from Vego bars. Even like compared to any milk chocolate that I've ever had, these are actually vegan and they're the best. So they're by Rhythm 108 and they're hazelnut praline. Oh my actual goodness. And they're gluten-free, organic, vegan, less than, 47% less sugar and high in fiber. So if you happen to come across these, especially in Sainsbury's, get one, try it. They are amazing. I got some edamame beans in pods. I got this from Boots. It's their Mexican style selection, and you have avocado hummus, little croutons, and some veggies, and there's a little fork in there somewhere, and all you do is kind of just scoop everything up together on the fork, and it tastes really good. So I'm going to have that for my dinner. I also picked up this cute bowl. I don't really need a bowl, but Sainsbury's Home is literally killing it at the moment, and I thought this was really cute, maybe for some ice cream in the summertime, or just whatever. I mean, it drew me in because it was pink, and just 2 little jars. I like to actually put ice cream in the jars, so I thought they were really cute for the summertime as well. Whenever I wear my hair behind my back like this, everyone always says, Naomi, you will look so good with short hair. I'm not going to cut my hair. I love long hair, so currently it is this length. I am trying to grow it longer. I'm trying to get it super long, which is off trend, but I don't care. Anyway, I heard that there is a lightning storm on its way, and I'm super tired. Like, I'm ready to drop. And but I love lightning. I love thunder. That sounds weird, but I just love kind of laying with my blinds open and just watching it as I fall asleep. But I do believe that it's going to keep me up all night, so I think I'm going to have an early night. I'm just going to look for new outfits for New York, because obviously every girl like me needs new outfits every day when she's going away. No, I don't. I totally don't, but I want to. So I'm going to have a look for some New York outfits. I know Boohoo have a sale on at the moment, and that is all. I will be vlogging very regularly now. I've got my vlogging camera back and I've finished uni. It's super exciting, and I hope to see you guys very soon. Bye everyone.